today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Confiforms in Confluence. Confiforms allows you to create powerful forms, collect structured data, and build simple workflows directly inside your Confluence pages. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free and continue once you're logged in. After logging in, look to the top right corner and click Settings. Then select Manage Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section connected to Confluence. From the left side menu, click Find New Apps. In the search bar, type Confiforms Data Forms and Workflows for Confluence. When you find the app, choose either free trial or buy now depending on your needs. Then click Accept and Install. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once Confiforms is installed, navigate to the Confluence page where you want to add a form. Open an existing page or create a new one, then click Edit to enter edit mode. To create a form, insert a macro by typing the macro shortcut and searching for Confiforms form definition. Select it, then give your form a clear name and title so it's easy to identify later. With the form created, start adding fields. Confiforms supports field types like text fields, text areas, file uploads, date pickers, and more. You can customize each field to match your requirements and control how data is collected. To make the form visible and usable, insert another macro called Confiforms Registrations Control. This macro displays the form on the page and allows users to submit entries. Once everything looks good, click Publish to save your page. And that's it. You now know how to install Confiforms and create interactive forms inside Confluence, giving you more control over data collection and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.